Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am back with another topic, that is why personal finance is so important in life, what is its importance and what it really a necessity for every individual to work on it. For an example, if you are a salaried individual or you are a doctor or you are a lawyer, you charge for an hour, you are a neuroscience surgeon and you charge something like a hefty amount per hour. But what if you are not able to work from today? You have any medical challenges, if you have any, God forbid, any life challenges, then how will your second generation will work on it? What they will have as an income? So managing personal finance is very important. Today, if you think about, like, you got your income, you got your paycheck, and you meet your all essentials and all expenses with its amount. You save some amount with this. But if you are not investing, if you are not creating a parallel income stream, or you are not creating a passive income, then how would your second generation, then how would be doing, what you would be doing in the course of retirement, what you will be doing in the, what you will be transferring to your next generation. When you think about something like taking retirement in early age and enjoy life, you need to create a passive income, you need to have a parallel income which will serve you. Do not be dependent on any one mode of income, like your salary, like if you are a skilled labor, so on your skill. With the skilled labor, you can be a doctor, you can be a plumber, you can be a lawyer, you can be anything, you can be a financial consultant, you can be a tax consultant. But what if you don't work from tomorrow? Would you be able to survive? This thinking will help you out. What would you be needed to get a passive income, to create a parallel stream for your life and for your second generation? Always keep thinking about creating a parallel income or a passive income. It will help you out for your next generation. Like, if you create a passive income, you give tax on that. When you meet expenses from your passive income, you will definitely contributing in your economy, in your country's economy, in your religion economy. So it is very important to have a parallel stream in your life. While creating passive income, you must keep in mind that you have an emergency fund for you that will help you out in case of any emergency. And then the amount will serve you for your next generation. The amount will serve you that could be transferred to your next hires. So be careful that do not expense out all your income. Do not have your sufficient amount with yourself that will be reinvesting. Like invest in anything like bonds, stock market, real estate, gold, any commodity. But you should have a parallel stream with you. If you do not keep a parallel stream with you, very bad impact in your life in the future. God forbid, but for avoiding these circumstances, you need to have some goals, some achievements, some sort of savings for you, so that you would not be dependent on anything. Like in the 2008 recession, many people get jobless. Like in COVID, many people get jobless. So in the case of natural disasters, in case of economic recessions, you should have some savings, you should have some parallel stream that will serve you out in case of any bad happenings in your life. And savings and the parallel streams would be transferable to your next generation, and it will help you out to get some respect in terms of retirement. This is very important to think about, that what you are transferring to your next generation, what you are having for your retirement, what you are having for your personal needs and goals. So I will advise you to start thinking about it from today. Get some goal, make a discipline in your life in terms of savings, in terms of investments, in terms of getting something in life. So it's my request for everyone to start creating a budget for your own self, for savings and expenses. Cut down your expenses with the parallel to your income. Always get a good saving scheme in your mind, that what you would be saving, what is your goals, what you need, where you want to be, and what amount you would be needed in case of any emergency or in case of any natural disasters are happening. So take care about it and keep thinking over it. I think I have given you a thinking to think about, that why it is so important for you to have a good savings, good parallel stream and a good passive income for yourself. Thank you.